Learn one Chinese character, unlock 10 useful words, and grow your Chinese world. Today, let's continue our Time and Seasons series. We're learning the character Zao. What does this character mean at its core? At its core, the character Zao means early, referring to the beginning of the day or something happening before the usual time. How did this character evolve over time? The character Zao has a fascinating origin rooted in nature. In its earliest oracle bone form, it is often interpreted as resembling a sprouting plant, a young shoot breaking through the soil. This image captured the idea of a beginning, the earliest stage of growth. Later, the character evolved to include the sun component, combining the idea of sunlight with new growth and representing the early morning when the sun rises and awakens young plants. This is how the modern character Zao came to have the on top. Over time, it came to mean early morning as well, because morning is the beginning of the day, just as a sprout is the beginning of a plant. You can imagine the image this creates. A tiny plant just breaking through the soil. That's the very essence of early. How is this character structured? The character Zao is a top-bottom structure. It consists of two parts. The top part is meaning sun, and the bottom part is shi. Together, they represent the idea of the sun appearing early. How do we write the character Zao? Follow the top to bottom stroke order. First, write the top part, R. Start with a vertical stroke, then write a horizontal turning vertical stroke, followed by a middle horizontal stroke, and finally a bottom horizontal stroke. Then write the bottom part, shi, first a horizontal stroke, then a vertical stroke through the center. Did you get it right? Let's practice reading it. It is pronounced in the third tone. Repeat after me. 早 早 早 Let's unlock 10 useful words from this character. 早上 means morning, commonly used in daily conversation. 早晨 means early morning, slightly more formal than 早上. 早安 means good morning, a polite greeting used in the morning. 早餐 means breakfast, the first meal of the day. 早睡 means to sleep early. 早起 means to wake up early, a healthy habit. 早春 means early spring, the beginning of spring when flowers start to bloom. 早日 means soon or at an early date, often used in blessings like 早日康复, get well soon. 提早 means to advance or to do something earlier than planned. 太早 means too early, used when something happens before the expected time. Let's look at a fun story behind this character. In English, when you meet someone in the morning, you usually say, good morning, but sometimes people just say morning, short, casual, and friendly. In Chinese, we do something very similar. When you meet someone in the morning, you can say 早上好, which means good morning. But in everyday life, people often just say 早, a single character, simple and natural. You might hear it between friends, coworkers, or even neighbors. 早, 早啊? It feels relaxed, friendly, and very real. So next time you meet a Chinese friend in the morning, try saying 早, just like saying morning in English, short, easy, and full of warmth. Did you learn this character today? More interesting character lessons are on the way. Follow us and learn one Chinese character a day to build your Chinese world.